Let's go! What's up? Namaskar Sagrana. What am I unboxing today? Oh my god. Today, as you can see, I have a massive ASICS collection with me, and some are so limited that you won't find them anywhere else. Like, this is the Sneaker Wolf ASICS collaboration. This is a special Vivienne Westwood. This is ASICS, again a collaboration for the 30th anniversary ASICS Meta collection. And this, oh my god, I was just dreaming about having this in my collection. And because a shout out to Super Kicks, man. Love you guys. This is from Super Kicks. The Metas are from Super Kicks, and these are the ASICS Sean Wotherspoons. And I am so excited that I'm gonna just tear this plastic off like a mad person. And oh my god, oh my god, there we go, bye bye. Oh, so these shoes are very limited. First thing, you don't get such stuff in India. Okay, Veg Non with Super Kicks, both got them in India, which is a great thing. But Super Kicks, a big shout out to them because they brought the Metas here in India, which is a rare shoe. Again, the Sneaker Wolf, both Veg Non and Super Kicks bought them. And this, so very few limited pieces released. You got them on raffle basis. Raffle is basically lucky draw. And there we go. ASICS Atmos. Atmos is also a company which collaborates with ASICS. The Sean Wotherspoon sign on the box. The box itself is very basic. It has this basic cardboard finish. Cardboard is recycled. And oh my god, this is like the best unboxing ever. Okay, the bin, let's keep that aside. Woo! Fuck! So here you get the details of the Gel Light 3 and the 30 years. Again, this is a 30-year celebration like the Metas. And here, look at this. So these are the detachable ASICS logos that you can attach and detach from the shoe. Woo. Woo. Oh my god, I'm really very excited. Oh my god, look at that. Oof, fuck. It has this corduroy finish. Oh my god, I want you guys to come here and feel this because it is like for real. It's it's that dope. It has this corduroy finish and many, like an amalgamation of colors here. And this is the detachable ASICS logo that I said. You can detach it and put the other ones as you like. Okay, so this left pair of the shoe represents Tokyo. Atmos is from Japan, so that's the reason one pair represents the Tokyo lights and the Tokyo colorway on the shoe. And the other one, oh, orgasms. Not kidding. Oh, fuck. Look at this pair, man. Oh, fuck. Again, an amalgamation of colors. I love this pair the most because it has yellow, orange, and all these poppy colors. This pair represents LA, from where the designer Sean Wotherspoon is. Again, the detachable ASICS logo. Oh my god, I'm so in love with it. The sole is also colorful. The soles are also different in color. So each pair, this is for the people who are not just sneakerheads, but the ones who can pull off these colors. Like not everyone can wear a pair which has different colors. So people find this funny. Some people will find like those are not sneakerheads. Okay, the people who love sneakers, the people who love shoes would know what this collaboration is all about. Like look at this beauty, man. Look at the details. This is why you invest or put your money. It's not just a shoe. It's like a big thing for us, for sneakerheads. It's like a very big thing. The people who are not sneakerheads, y'all won't get it. Y'all won't get what I'm saying right now. An extra pair of laces. Whoa! So these are again some detachable Atmos stickers that you can stick here. So yeah, that's about it. Wow, look at this insole, which is shiny, shiny goldenish orange, and the Atmos branding on it. I won't ever wear it. I'll just keep them aside and just look at them and be proud of myself for buying these. So I'll do a quick unboxing of the other three shoes. So the ASICS that Sean Wotherspoons are there. The Sneaker Wolf collaboration. Sneaker Wolf is another Japanese designer artist. Oh, look at the papers, man. Wow. So this is like another pair. And the shoes look very big because my leg size is big. It's US 11. So yeah, it has this golden tail light like feel over here. Again, this represents Japan. Gel Light 3 branding, Sneaker Wolf branding here, and the soles are transparent. So yeah, these are the Sneaker Wolves. Super rare. Got them with a lot of jugaad. Won't get them easily in India. The ASICS Vivienne Westwood. Oh my god, look at these. Look at these. Look at these. These are my next favorite. I can't grade my Sean Wotherspoons or the Vivienne Westwood. Both are equally good for me. It has like a painting, the Greek, the Roman paintings used to be. So it has that painting over it. And then matte details on the sole, like transparent finish on the sole. So basically when there are like marble structures in Rome and Greek and overall in Europe, they have these cracks, and so to give that marble feel, they have given this transparent how do I say that, they have given these holes kind of a thing which are transparent and are dope. Okay, so this pair, the other pair, you can see the other pair as well, looks dope. Again, the painting, the Roman Greek like painting. So these shoes are my other favorites. And then the meters. The box itself is sexy. For the meters, 30th anniversary special. Again, the Gel Light 3 info over here. Wow, so much papers. So yes, this is how the pair looks like. You get an extra pair of laces. Super details on the shoe, man. A suede finish over here. This represents the Japanese flag, red and white. The ASICS logo in white here, the ASICS logo in blue and red over here, and a transparent swole which says Far East, represents Japan again. So this is the beauty of ASICS. Not many people in India love ASICS that much. People don't even know about a lot about these collaborations. People have started knowing because of the Sean Wotherspoons coming in India. Because of that, people have started knowing what ASICS is all about. ASICS is a dope company. I've been following ASICS since 2017 because I love it. And yeah, that's about it. People just go behind Jordans and Yeezys, which is like very funny to me because people just tend to buy those because Travis has worn those or Kanye has collaborated on Yeezys. Yeah, they are beautiful shoes, no doubt. But these are dope as well. The Mitas, the Vivienne Westwoods, the Sneaker Wolves, and the Sean Wotherspoon. One life, enjoy it to the fullest. Peace.